What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you another quick unboxing overview of something that I personally don't care about, but it's something my wife recently purchased. These are the AirPod Pros, Apple's $250 in-ear Bluetooth headphones. These have been on sale recently. That's why she recently purchased them. They were about $220. We got them at Micro Center, but they've been that price at B&H, Best Buy, basically anywhere, Costco, anywhere besides Apple. So they have been on sale fairly frequently. These do come with a wireless charging case, which is nice, as some of them do not, especially some of the cheaper AirPods do not. Active noise canceling, so these are more oriented for the noise canceling than some of their other line, their regular AirPods. Transparent mode, adaptive EQ, don't know what that means. She really likes the Apple ecosystem. I do not, but she really likes that environment, which I understand because it's fairly easy. Everything tends to sync together, and it's just overall a very smooth experience. That's it. I don't know much about these H1 based system and package. I don't expect there to actually be much in here. One thing about Apple products, they do package their stuff fairly well, and it's generally a good unboxing experience. So you got some packaging there. You have designed by Apple in California, of course. Probably some general warranty information. They usually come with a 1-year warranty, and Apple Care is pretty cheap on these. They're like $29, so I don't really know why anyone wouldn't go for the Apple Care. Just because of how cheap it is. I believe that gives you a 2-year warranty on things. And Apple's customer service is spectacular. So that is something I will give them credit for, is that their customer service is top notch. So basically you just had these in there. And all right, let's see what is in here. She did tell me that I cannot turn these on because she wants to do that. So you have, looks like USB-C to USB. I assume this comes with a charger in it. So USB-C to their standard Lightning proprietary. I really wish they would move to USB-C like everyone else. That's the only negative that I find with their stuff is everyone else is on USB-C and they're on some funky little, still doing their Lightning connector. You have different earbuds in there to change those out. And then let's see what we got. Case is made of plastic. It does have a nice feel to it. It's more grippy than I thought it was going to be, so it's almost like a somewhat grippy texture. It's fairly small if you compare it to, say, the mouse here. It's a pretty small, easy to carry, easy to carry around. I don't know what these things weigh, ounces, I would assume. Do not know what the battery life is. Let's see what they say here. Battery life, 18 hours of talk time, 24 hours of listening, so that's pretty good. Looks like it's already trying to pair just from opening them. But if you actually look at them, I mean, they're definitely interesting. I don't know how these stay in your ear. Does anyone else know how they stay in your ear? But overall, they seem pretty well engineered, well designed. They kind of lock in there when you put them in. I don't know if there's some type of magnet or something, but they do. You can see that right there. They do kind of lock in there. And charging them, pretty simple. Plug this in. There's no power brick to this, so you're going to have to get your own or use your Apple Watch one, or basically any power outlet you have for USB-C. I wonder if I could charge it through the computer here. Yep. So basically any USB-C connector you can charge this with, which is nice. But I wish that this port right here was USB-C also. But that's it. Nothing too fancy to report here. These are kind of expensive for $250 of, I mean, you can get some Beyerdynamic DT 1990 Pros for that, or 990 Pros for that. So that's it. Unboxing quick. Again, there's not really a whole lot to report here. But we'll see. I'll get a long-term review of this up as she uses them and see what she thinks. And that's it. Comments, questions, leave them below. This was a little unorganized and unplanned, but that's it. There's not much to these. I don't know how long it takes to charge them. Probably not very long. So that's it. Bluetooth 5.0. Do want to mention that. Comments, questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of the weekend.